Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me some fluffy scrambled egg with cheese in my kitchen. This quick and simple recipe is something that you need to try in your kitchen. Flavorful, fluffy, creamy, and delicious. You cannot go wrong when you make this recipe. So if you want to learn this quick, simple, and easy scrambled egg with cheese recipe in your kitchen, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's go make us some fluffy scrambled egg with cheese in your kitchen. Let's go!
These are all the ingredients that I'll be using to make my scrambled egg with cheese. Over here I have my eggs. You could use whatever egg you prefer to make your scrambled egg. I'm going to be using the white egg today. Here I have some salt, and I'll just be using a pinch of salt to give it a little taste. Here I have my black pepper. I'm going to be using a pinch as well. Over here I have my whole milk, and this is what I use to make my egg fluffy and nice. Give it that nice little taste. OMG, cannot wait. Here I have me some salted butter. I like to scramble my egg with butter. If you want to use olive oil or the spray oil, you could use whatever, but I'll be frying my egg with my butter. Here I have me one slice of cheese. I love me some cheese in my egg. So you don't need no more ingredients to make this recipe. This is what I'll be using, all the ingredients here. So if you want to make this scrambled egg with cheese, please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's go make some scrambled egg with cheese. Let's go!
So in this bowl, we are going to break at least 4 of our eggs. Alright guys, I grew up learning how to make scrambled egg, taking out the eye of the egg. So this actually takes away the little rawness from your egg. So I'm trying to get this here, and this is it. And we gotta take the other one out, which is right here. And this do help, because sometimes I don't like the rawness in my egg. Now guys, at this point we are going to whisk our egg until it is yellow and uniform. All right, we're not going to beat it all the way in. Now we're going to add us some salt, just 2 pinches of salt. We're going to add some of our black pepper. And that is enough. We are going to add a little bit of our whole milk, just like that. Then we're going to go in and we're going to mix. And there it is, guys. Make sure your egg texture is looking just like this, yellow and uniform. All right, this is how it should look. Okay, so in our non-stick frying pan, we are going to add us 2 tablespoons of our butter. All right, so we are just gonna melt our butter in our non-stick pan. And please make sure your stove is on low heat. Our butter is all melted. Now I'm going in with my egg mixture. Now at this point, as you see, the edge of our egg is being hardened. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna pull it in. And just continuously pull it in until it is completely finished.
This is a trick of how you get your fluffy egg. Flip it over on the opposite side. An egg doesn't take a long time to be prepared, so yes. Before our egg is finished, we are going to go in with our cheese. Just gonna melt it in there as well. So we're gonna get some nice cheesy egg here. And now you could at least turn your stove off. The remaining heat of the pan will melt the remaining cheese. Alright, so apparently this is how the egg should be looking. Let me give you guys a closer look. There it is. My scrambled egg with cheese. Ain't this looking delicious and yummy, guys? OMG. Alright, now I'm going to give this a little taste test here. I always make the perfect scrambled egg, guys.
There you have it, guys, my fluffy scrambled egg with cheese in my kitchen. This is a recipe that you need to try in your kitchen. Super quick and easy, creamy, fluffy, delicious, and also smelling good. I cannot wait to dig in. I had my taste test of this scrambled egg recipe and I must say it was super tasty and delicious. I am in love with this recipe. You could try this recipe out for breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, whenever you want. You could give it a try. You are going to enjoy every bit of this. And I'm just sprinkling some of my syrup over my pancake. So if you want to learn more recipe, guys, please do not forget to stay tuned, subscribe, hit that like button, comment, and let me know what you think about this scrambled egg recipe. Tell me if you enjoyed it. Tell me if you have tried it out in your kitchen and it came out oh so good like this right here. Follow these steps and I promise you, you won't go wrong. Fluffy scrambled egg in my kitchen to your kitchen. So guys, have a blessed week. See you guys soon. If you have any video requests that you want me to make, please leave it in the comment section and I will respond to you guys. And I'll see you guys soon. Drink your water, stay hydrated, and it's getting chilly outside, so please be safe. Wear your jacket, cover your neck so you won't get sick. The DJ family love each and every one of you. See you guys soon. Bye, guys.